making sure to get that on camera. Whoa, we made it. Oh, that's nice. I usually go to those, but I just want to get to the campsite today. I've been to Oklahoma a million times. I'm good. My rest area. I'm good. I got a kiwi Starbucks refresher. It's the first time I got it. It is essential to have some form of hydration during this 3-hour drive. I mean, I've driven longer before, but it tastes really good. I like the little chunks that they have that I've been chewing on. They're like mushy, but it's still good. So yeah, it's really good. Really refreshing. That's why they call it a refresher. What? Because there's a lot of carriage and horses here. Okay, now this is getting ridiculous. You know what I think it is? A couple miles back, there was a sign for an Amish store. This might be part of Amish country. Go again. Don't work ahead. I sure hope it does. I'm officially 10 minutes away, and I'm not gonna lie. I'm beyond done. I need some sustenance at the very least. Here it is. I gotta tell you, this is in the middle of nowhere. This is kind of cute though. This is like a fun little journey. It says hip campers 1 left and then Sage Cottage right. That's hilarious. The Gothic windows that they have in their homes, I absolutely love. Their landscaping is great. Now we go up the path. Here are the beautiful floral patterns. I love the lanterns. I love the red umbrella. You can lounge over here to eat as well. Perhaps have a nice breakfast. This is a cute touch. Here are the logs to feed the flame of the fire pit. The fire is dwindling, but the property owner did show me how to start a fire from kindling, quick start, and then adding the logs in a tent shape. That was pretty cool. Had this fire going for 2 hours so far. Had to keep feeding the flame. There's some cool trails that I'm going to check out. Over here is the picnic table with a pretty cool candle holder, the grill, the cottage, and now we're inside the cottage. A pretty nice and thoughtfully decorated interior design in order to fit the aesthetic of a tiny home. Here is the bed. The map of the West Indies really makes it feel like you're traveling. And I like that the little side tables and everything had books. And then you have the Gothic window again, but it's a mirror. I really liked that. Little sneak peek to the bathroom. This is inside the bathroom. I thought that the little setup was cute. I appreciate the way that they folded the towels. I meant toilet paper, but whatever. These 2 portraits were cute. Another vintage map, and some cafes in Paris. This corner shower is pretty cute. Had little shelving. And then we have a kitchen. Pretty much all you need for like a short stay. The phone booth decor was pretty fun to spot because right outside the front house, there is an actual red phone booth, which I'll show you in just a bit. There's a little window that peeks out to the front. The flower beds and red umbrella are gorgeous. And then the main doors where you exit and enter. You get a good view of the fire pit and the potted plants. And then this little breakfast nook where I settle down. Cute quote. And finally, we have the second window that's above the table. And let's go back outside. Stepping outside here is so pretty. And I wanted you guys to hear the noise of nature that you hear right when you step out. Let's explore the outside some more by going to the side of the cottage, past the grill. More of the beautiful plants that they have. Here's the hot tub, which I'm going to enjoy using during the sunset. And over here, a nice little surprise. There's a hammock. I mean, this looks great. Even more trails down there. And back to the hot tub. This is going to be great to relax in. The fairy lights are a nice touch. Or these light bulbs are a nice touch. And have hanging potted plants. Here are the beautiful flower beds that they have on the windowsill. I love the lanterns. Little breakfast nook or dinner nook. And that wall over there is for privacy, and I really appreciate they did that. Let's go behind the barrier, shall we? There's a cute little crater. So that's cute. They have little shells and seashells. Little bench. Okay, this is really cool. Imagine that you could teleport to like Britain with this thing. There's another area that you can lounge. She let me know that campers also come out here. There's no one out here today or tomorrow, which is how long I'm staying here, so I'm free to roam. And there's another trail. And then back to the main house where I'm parked. And down yonder there is where the cottage is. And there we have it. Tour complete.